Welcome to SimplAI. In this video, we're going to guide you through creating a tool within the SimplAI platform. Think of these tools as a form of workflow automation, where multiple steps are involved. These steps take input, process it through different intermediate steps, and ultimately provide the desired output. Let's dive in by heading over to the Tools section of SimplAI. Here, we're going to create a tool. We'll start by building a web research tool. Once we're in, the first thing we need to do is assign a name to our tool. Let's call it Web Research Tool. It's also important to add a description, as this will be quite helpful for any agent looking to utilize the tool. For the description, let's put down a tool to search topic on the web. At this point, we need to choose between two tool types, basic and advanced. The advanced tool is where you can run multiple parallel processes, while the basic tool processes each step one at a time. For now, we'll go ahead and create a basic one. Now we've arrived at the tool editor screen. Here we define the inputs the tool will accept, which could be text, long text, numbers, file URLs, drop-down options, or JSON. We also have different no-code steps designed to give users the flexibility to create and automate any workflow seamlessly. The process involves taking a few inputs, run through certain steps, and deliver the desired output. Users have control over these outputs, and we're going to build this together right now. To start, let's provide a text as input. You'll need to give this input a name and a description. Let's assign a topic and also provide a description for clarity. Consider the topic to search on the web. You can also add a test value here. This will be the variable that the input is using. Currently, the input is set as text, but you can change it to topic. We also have various no-code steps available, which are perfect for any user. For example, let's say we're building a web research tool. This no-code tool takes a topic name and provides you with an output. The variable name for this specific step is the topic name. You can assign a variable to it as needed. To pass a variable to a tool step input, enclose the variable name in curly braces. For a more interactive approach, click on the input field. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select the desired variable. This drop-down includes all the variables present in the workflow. Select the one you need, and it will be placed in curly braces. After providing the test value, this variable is replaced by that test value. You can modify the step as necessary. Now, let's discuss the output. You can add multiple outputs. For instance, when you select an output value, you'll see the steps involved in the process. You have the input, the step, and the output. A single step can have multiple outputs, and in this case, there are two. We need the report output. By clicking on it, all variables will be encapsulated in curly braces. The first part, before the dot, is the tool step name, and the second is the specific output. Let me demonstrate how it works. If you request information about SimplAI, it replaces the topic name with SimplAI and performs web research. It searches various websites, extracts data, and structures it to provide you with a comprehensive report. If you're interested in exploring different use cases using our tools, we have tool templates available. You can clone these tools to use them. Here's the report we've generated. The tool has replaced the data with the specific output. This illustrates how you can easily use SimplAI's tool functionality to build any tool and automate workflows. For more insights on building and solving different use cases with SimplAI, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and happy building!